Okay, all right. Let's see what we have here today. Um, we are live. All right. Interesting. So we are live and have audio. All right, so let me know if you hear me okay and all that good stuff. If you're in the chat, make yourself known. This is like my first time going live. Everything looks smooth. I'm gonna just get on another device and I'm gonna test things out a little bit. And then we're gonna get going. Like we have a lot of good stuff today to get it going. Let me see what I could find here. You would think that it would put like your videos live in the automation, but I can't even find one. There we go. All right, so I'm satisfied that we have sound. All right. Okay, cool. We got audio. The audio sounds good. I'm pretty impressed with that. I'm ready to get this live stream started. And if you guys are not with me on it, that's fine. You could catch it in the replay. This is one of my first live streams ever. I want to see if we can cut down on the memory a little bit and just trust in the system and trust in the process and get it going. I'm going to start recording too. Hopefully this doesn't take too much of my system or needs. And we are ready to start the live stream. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking a look at the MeLE PCG02 Fanless Mini PC stick with Windows 11 Pro. And we're going to unbox it. I have it right here. We're going to take a look at it and all that good stuff. Let's see here. Since I don't really see much going on in the chat, well, I'm just going to take my time. Just going to relax and do the stream. See, let me go back to the live stream. Stay with the live stream. All right, everything's looking good. I'm pretty impressed with what we have. So without further ado, I'm just going to get it started. I'm going to start the stream intro. All right, so that's what we're looking at today. That's what we're going to be doing. Okay, just making sure everything's working right. All right, very good. All right, so that's what we have today. That's what we're looking at. For those that are, I'm going to make a replay edit of this. For those that are catching it, I need a new PC to live stream off of. It doesn't look the best. I'm not really happy with the look of it, but I am recording this as I go. And I'm first going to talk about this device a little bit. And let's take a look at it. It doesn't look the best. I'm not really happy with the look of it, but all right. So this is what we're looking at. And let's see if we can get a better view. All right, there we go. All right, what we are looking at today, ladies and gentlemen, is the MeLE PCG02 Fanless Mini PC Stick, Windows 11 Pro Celeron J4125 8GB, 128GB micro desktop computer stick, ports HDMI, 4K, 60 Hz, Wi-Fi 5, gigabit Ethernet, and it has Bluetooth 4.2, and it's a business office industrial device. Now, some of the interesting use case that I say that you could find for such a product is that you can use it to stream a little bit because it supports 4K. You could use it to check email. You know, if you're on the road and you got to take a little computing power with you, because I mean, you have the Fire Stick and you have the Roku devices and you have smart TVs and all that, and that's great and dandy and all, and it's fun working with those operating systems, no doubt. But what I'm interested in though is like something, whereas if you are a Windows user who likes to have an entertainment device in the form of a Windows device, this is something that you may want to look at. Now, I'm not here to give it to you or sell it to you in any kind of way. I'm just here to show you what I bought and set it up, and that's what we're going to be doing on this live stream. But I want to talk about it a little bit more. Some of the specific uses: personal, video stream, business, digital display. That's another one, digital display. If you have a restaurant or you run an airport or something like that, or you have information on signage, this is something that you may want to use. It comes with Windows pre-11. It comes with Windows 11 pre-installed. That's what I was trying to say. And it's equipped with a Celeron J4125 processor. It's equipped with 8 gigabytes of LPDDR4 RAM and a 128 gigabyte eMMC, fully functional to run Windows 11 and HD video and micro SD and such and so forth. Now, I can tell you right now, guys, you're not going to be able to game on this at all because, well, I'm not going to say at all. I mean, you're not going to play the AAA titles on this because it's not the powerhouse of the day. There are more powerful sticks out there. This is a really good stick for a budget price, right? And it's fanless, and that's the thing that got me interested in this, is that it has a fanless design, and it supposedly stays cool. I do happen to have a temperature thermometer And as a matter of fact, I'm going to pull that out and get that ready for us just to have it on the side. Now, first and foremost, you could get this on Amazon, obviously. I've conveniently placed a couple of links in the information section of the video. If you do, that's great. That helps the channel, but I'm not really sweating it. But if anybody's in the comments, let's see, what do you think? Anybody in the comments? Anybody thinking anything? All right, so far, nothing. But that's all good, though. All right, let's keep it moving. So we're going to go over what's in the box, and we're going to go over what's inside of the unit, which is going to be great. So I don't know what else to do. Whether you guys are here with me or not, that's fine. But hopefully you guys will be with me further down the line in the channel for projects like these, because they are always fun to do. And for those that are watching currently, thank you for watching. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you haven't already done so. Let us know you're here. And if you do have any questions, I will try to get to them in the chat. But here's the thing. I don't see the chat. I have too many screens spread way far apart, and that's going to make it kind of hard to see the chat. But I will do a quick chat check. See that we got nothing going on right now. That's cool. All right, so let's look at some of these slides. It gives you more ports, multi-ports, more ports, multi-purpose. So what comes with is a Kensington lock slot, Ethernet port. I don't plan on using the Ethernet port. Then you have audio combo jack. So if you have some audio that you wanted to do something with, you could use it to work on your audio. Comes with two USB 3.0 times 2 ports. And it has a power input of 5 volts, 3 amps. Has a power button, HDMI 2.0, which supports up to 4K, and has a micro SD card slot. Pretty neat stuff. They say it's mini, yet powerful. 140 by 60 by 19.5 millimeters. 5.5 by 2.4 times 0.077. I can't wait to get this thing out the box. Are you guys with me on that or what? All right, now let's go. Now, it says it has a faster running speed with Windows 11 pre-installed. Great. Awesome. And it supports the 4K Ultra HD, as I said before, with HDMI 2.0. So that's good. And they say it's a faster running speed with a CPU mark for this Intel Celeron 4125 series. The CPU mark of 3164. All right, so I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to sort of get, if there's any questions. All right, cool. All right, if we don't have any questions thus far, I think what we're going to do is just start breaking out the box here. See, I need everything with me to come over to this table. So we have the unit in studio today, which is pretty neat. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited too. So I'm going to go to scene 4. And we're going to start kind of opening things up and taking a look at what we have. The only thing is, I don't know what to do with this device here. Let me just set it aside for the time being. All right. Okay, so I won't be really able to see much of the chat, but I'll try to look. If anybody's, watching, say what's up. All right. Okay. So I'm over here. I'm going to open this up. We're going to take a look at what we have here. Then I'm going to go to scene 5. And we're just going to get on into it. First things first. We're going to need to open the device. I've been waiting for this for a day or two. Pretty cool. All right, so there's what we have. Maybe I could zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so I'll just run by the specs real quick. We're looking at a J4125 CPU at 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of ROM. The OS we'll be using is Windows 11 Pro. The graphics is a built-in internal HD graphics 600. We have 302.11 at dual band Wi-Fi. And network connection is 2.4 gigahertz or 5.0 gigahertz with Bluetooth 4.2 and gigabit LAN port, 2 USB 3.0 port, video out, 1 HDMI 2, audio in output, 3.5 millimeter audio combo jack, and 1 storage expansion micro SD card slot. So that's what we have. One thing that I was nervous is that when I shake the box, there's a little bit of noise to it, but I'm not too overly concerned. But let's get into this. Let's see. I don't want to destroy the box by getting into it, but I just want to see what we have. Hopefully I'm doing this right. I'm not that good at opening boxes, so you have to bear with me. All right, that looks good. All right. There we have it. So we have a quick start guide. I'm going to take a look at that quick start guide myself and see what it contains. And there it is, the unit itself, the interface. This is the real deal. Now, the one thing is, I'm surprised it didn't come wrapped in plastic, but usually most electronics come wrapped in plastic. That's cool. But this is what I'm looking at right now. Looking at the interface, looking at how to connect it and all that stuff. I kind of know how to connect it. But we're going to have a power adapter. I have a mouse and keyboard because we're going to need that to get started. So hopefully don't have to install. They were talking about reinstalling Windows and stuff in the instruction manual and that sort of thing. So here it is. It's very light, weighs about as much as a cell phone, if you really think about it. Pretty neat. So what else do we have in this box while we're at it? I like this nice foam packing material. Everything else is wrapped in plastic, and that's fine. Ooh, this is pretty neat. What you see is you have foreign plugs for your adapter in case you're in a different country. So this is perfect for if you're going to take it on the road or something like that. I like that idea. So I'm going to go into, let's see here. We have the plug. It's a big adapter, of course, as you can see here. I'm going to put standard United States plug in. That's where we are today. And going to unwind some wires. See, it comes with like comes with the power cable and your adapter. Doesn't require much power. And it comes with a HDMI extender, which is cool, which may come handy on other ventures, which is nice. So let me see here. Let me pull this box out the way right now. And then before we get going or anything like that, I want to use this multimeter device. Not a multimeter, but a thermometer, digital thermometer. Get a baseline. And you can see it's 65.3 degrees baseline. So when we get to doing more stuff with it, remind me to pull that out, and we will take a look at the temperature again at just normal operating temperature. All right. So how are we going to get this started? First, connect the 5-volt power adapter to the PC stick. Connect the PC stick to a TV monitor with HDMI extension cable. Turn on your PC stick by pressing the power button, and the LED indicator turns blue and the power on the PC stick. Enjoy the PC stick by connecting it with the keyboard and mouse. All right, cool. Cool. All right. So we got a little bit of work ahead of us to get this set up. We have to dig for a place to plug this in. And I think where I'm going to plug it in is a far stretch. Where I really want to be. But we'll try something else. All right, we got power to this unit. That's where our power comes in. Says it right there, 5 volts, 3 amps. A little red light comes on there. I don't know if you guys could see it. All right, so you can see it. That's good. All right. Next thing I want to do is I want to get the HDMI connected. What I have here is a female HDMI cable. Let's see here. I don't want to hit the power button quite yet. All right. So it's a little messy, but we'll just have to make do. All right, it's very light. It weighs about as much as a cell phone, really. And we're gonna have to get ready to turn it on and see what we have. But before I do that, I do have a keyboard handy that I could plug into it. Well, you know, let's get ready to see what we have when we set this unit up. And in order to do that, I'm going to have to make some adjustments. Okay. What adjustments am I going to have to make? All right, we have power, have video. Now I just need to switch to the right source. I think that's it. All right, so there goes a source. And then I got to change my monitor to that appropriate source too. But heck, why don't we turn the power on and see what we got? And just bear with me, you got a blank screen. All right, so we do have a signal, but it's not coming through to this. Oh. All right, so we're having a technical glitch. Okay, we have that. I don't know what's going on. Not that one. We gotta see what this is. That one. I don't know why my Elgato is not capturing. I should have tested this out before I got here, but it's all right. Um, hmm. It's interesting. So why am I not having a signal coming out from? Let's see here. Let's try to get a signal. Uh, all right. Wow. So it's working for sure, but I have a technical glitch right now. See what the properties are. Um, we will add existing. PCs. No capture devices found. Wow. That's unbelievable. Okay, so that's what's going on. My Elgato capture device is just not functioning. I don't know why. Wow. So that was kind of the idea, was to hook up the capture device, but it apparently, I don't know. Hopefully we get this figured out. What a mess. All right, so what's happening here is like we can't get the Elgato live capture device to work. Um, but everything else is working. I think what I'm gonna have to do is just, I am not impressed at all. See, I'm going to take a look at system settings, system. Uh, out. See, I don't think we're going to get it figured out. And oh, dang. Let's see about devices, USB, no USB device, but interesting. Yeah, nothing ever goes to plan. Nothing ever goes to plan. Let me try something again. Which is interesting. So why would my Elgato cacher device working? Hmm. That's interesting. That really boggles my mind. Why am I not seeing what I need to see? Which is interesting. So I bet if I shut this all off and I come back into it, like it'll probably work for some magic reason. But I think the computer probably needs a reboot. I think so too. I don't know. I mean, kind of a tough deal. I think I'm gonna go back to watching some live streams and we'll try this again another time. But I'm pretty impressed with what we have thus far. I really was hoping I could work with it and share it on screen too. And I think there's a way that I could still do that. And we'd have to do it at the sacrifice of, well, it's going to be tough because I had it wired a certain way and I had this set up a certain way. Let's see here. Oh. Yeah, it's just, it takes one thing, man, and your whole stream is done. Crazy. One thing. So what do we do now? What do we do now? I'm thinking, thinking. All right, so the Elgato capture card does not want to work. I wasn't expecting that. Because it says like connect your device, but it is connected. If I go here and I say 4K capture utility, so we'll install this update. And then hopefully we get a capture unit running again. But because I want you guys to see the Windows 11 setup. That's what screen I have and I'm looking at right now. Yes. Alrighty. Just doing a little installation. I mean, I could even show you what my screen is looking like, but finished. Exit to setup wizard. Oh. I'm just so disappointed that my Elgato game capture did not work. So I think I should have rebooted or something like that. But it looks like the only thing that I could do is probably end this broadcast, learn something from it, and try again another time. But hey, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. Thank you for those that have hit the like button. I really enjoy doing this. Unfortunately, due to a technicality, I'm going to have to bounce. I don't even know if I'm going to leave this up. But it's working. If I point the camera to screen, you could see that we have everything, but due to a technical issue with this computer, I'm gonna have to like say, shut this down. So thanks for watching and have a great day.